Hey everybody, let's get in the first part of 23rd day. As you know, we are not aware to obfuscate your journey, what is you're trying to understand to this channel. So our assistant must be better from this channel, so that's why you are over here. So if not, then why do you like to see this kinds of video or anything like that? So that's why always be curious to know, curious to learn, to get that to acknowledge that kind of things in your life. Even you have to what acknowledge either whether this is appropriate or suitable for you or not. It is not like that for you. So don't be a susceptible person. If you are susceptible, then anyone come to what say that you simply they come to acknowledge you as a malleable person, then they come to influence you. So that's why you have to obfuscate those people instead of being what instead of got obfuscated by other people, and that's it. And then what always don't if you guys are leading yourself through through an implementable way, in that way you can to you might have thinking that you wanna get something better in your life, but maybe actually it don't lead you towards somewhere where you actually has to be. So that's why a lot of people things are over here that actually matters in life. So that's why you have to understand. So always maybe your mentality can be like ubiquitous or something like that, but you are trying to fix it like a ubiquitous. So if you are in the process of making your personality like the ubiquitous or something like that, you are still learning. You have to learn, and to get something better in your life you have to struggle. So that's that circle you have to create around you. So if you guys are thinking about all these things, then you can simply go through the way, or or whenever you are thinking about your career, you have to deliver each and everything in a esoteric way. Even a small group of people can understand in a proper way. So that's why you have to go through that way instead of caring about other perspective perceptions or anything like that. You are not over here just to care about their perspective perceptions or something like that. You have to what you are not talking in a ostensible way. It has to be necessary, and it has to be appear. It is actually appearing like a truth. You are not talking in a myth or something like that. That is not you are not saying anything in the way of ostensible way. So that's why you have to talk in a pragmatic way, so that's can be better for everyone. As I'm seeing each and everything over here through the help of this channel, you guys have to understand in a proper way. So always even a lot of people are not ahead of you like a magnanimous or something like that. But always create that kind of ability to show up yourself in a magnanimous character, so that's you guys are going to feel like you got something better in your life. So that's always a better kind of things. You have to know it in a proper time. So this is crucial and essential, as well as what prime time of your life. So that's why if you come to move toward your career at this time, in that case you simply get something better in your life. So that's why you can also deserve more and more things. If you actually working over your career, and you mustn't ask to be like a pedantic at this time. These kinds of pedantic things can came into your life, but you don't have to be panic for any kind of things or something that you can simply overcome from each and everything over here. You have the measures to get something better in your life. So that's why don't worry about anything. You have to chase better thing in your life. So that's why you are over here. So always remember, even the people are not remembering anything about you, but you are over here to get something better in your life. Always remember, nobody's over here to lead you toward your and inspire you toward your successful journey, except your parents. So you have to consider your parents as a source of inspiration, sacrifice, or what dedication, persistency, consistency, discipline. So anything like that, in that case you will learn something better from your parents, and that's it. So if you guys just take consider yourself as a intransigent person, in that case you might have something better within your mind. So that's why you are not over here to comply and impose to what accept others what you don't want to impose yourself to accept anyone's values, their perspective, perception, opinions, whatever they're saying ahead of you. We don't want to chase all these kinds of things, but you just want to chase your goals or something like that. So always remember, you have to all the alacrity is matters over here. So accept this, nothing matter in your life. So always remember what you have to get in your life. Nothing. Don't care about others. Don't care about other perspective, perception, or like anything like that. You are over here. Just you just have to limit your journey up to your mission, strategy, vision, and that's it. Sometimes you have to be what You have to circumspect. You have to be like circumspect or something like that. If you, even if you are not like that, you have to say something better in your life. So always remember, you are over here to get something better, and then always you can simply say anything, whatever you like to see in your life, that in a laconic way, that is always a better kind of communication or something like that, convey, even any kind of, you can use it in any kind of sectors, like controversy, debate, or anything like that, and while you are conveying with other people, and that's it. So it's a what it is a super plus things, so that's why you have to go through the way, or if you are actually moving ahead with your proficiency way or something like that, in that case you're gonna get up that kind of that level of productivity from your hard work, or dedication, persistence, consistency, or anything like that. So that's why you have to don't go through that conflagrations or anything like that, that can that can ruin your entire image or something like that, but also you have to you are not over here to, if you have that kind of perspicacious my mentality or something like that, you're over here to say something better that other might not have ever thought about it, you are crucial, you are actually thinking about all this in that case it is a kind of better things for you and for other people whoever are ahead of you here, you have ahead of you. And what I'm making grammatical mistakes or anything like that, but I must have to make it again and again, because I'm turning into intermediate level from beginner acidarian, so that's why so I'm not caring about that kind of obvious things or something like that, I'm well, even any kind of things are destitute or something like that, I'm gonna make it pleasant in a proper way, even I have that kind of best attitude, circumstances or condition ahead of me, I just want to lift them, and then I'm not over here to complain over all these things, all the kinds of conditions or something like that. I'm over here to fix all these kinds of things or something like that. So always these kinds of things matters in your life, instead of saying that it is not better, it's a kind of but these are not crucial for your progress or something like that. If you guys are thinking about all these things or something like that, in that case you come to do something better in your life. So that's why you have to, so always remember, you are over here to get something better from your life. If you guys are thinking that nobody's over here to lead you towards somewhere, toward where you want to be in your life, so that's why this is a kind of myth. So you mustn't have to go through this. Whatever happen in your life, you have to go through your positive way. That's always matter, so always treat yourself as a indefatigable way or something like that, whenever you come to say that you are the efficiency, your effectiveness, that whatever is within you, that is enough for your progress or anything like that, the growth is only depends on your hand. So that's why if you guys are concerned about your career or something like that, in that case you have to go through, you have to consider yourself first as a indefatigable way, right? So that's truly matters for your career, for other people whoever is ahead of you, and then who want to chase your goals or something like that, and you have to what if anything like that, inscrutable or something like that, even you yourself, you consider yourself as an inscrutable person or something like that, one day you come to, it won't be like it will fade over time, because you are over here to hard work or to be persistent, consistent in your life. So that's why all these things matter over here in a proper way. So that's why you have to keep in a balance, if you want to maintain the maintenance of everything is matters over here, and then simply you have to learn that you have to move toward your career through a positive way, positive vibe. So all in that case you come to lead yourself towards somewhere where you have to be, otherwise you will you gotta get something better in your life. So always juxtaposition is also matter in that kind of case or something like that, but always it doesn't matter, you are over here uh, to be a non-silent person, if you are non-silent, then you don't care about other perspective perception, what about the people are saying on your perspective perception, you are only over here to get something better in your life. So that's why you have to do you believe in purifications or something like that? If you don't believe in purifications, then learn to believe, whenever you are saying that whatever is around you, that doesn't matter, just you have to proliferate your journey, and what you have to scale it something better. If whatever you want to say in your life, that doesn't matter, but one thing you have to that is the only one thing matter, that discipline. If you are going through that discipline, something like that is, that's a crucial point, the component that's truly impacts overall your overall efficiency, effectiveness, that whatever is within you, that has to be like immutable, whenever your strategy, your vision, your long-term what goals or motive are like immutable, in that case you just have to simply chase, and chasing your dreams is only your only your dream. So that's why you come to get something better from your life, and that is going to be really stunning, and it has to be, because you are over here to get something better from your life. So that's why always remember, you are not only over here to get something better from your life, you are over here to get the experience. you know. So it must has to be solient, you know. So if it's like solient, then people come to notice, and then people want to signify these things. That's it.